Being happy is very important to me, and money's just a way to keep score.
You definitely can get out there and start making money almost right away, and that was a huge appeal for me.
It does feel pretty good to not be killing myself to make by far quadruple the amount of money I used to make before.
The franchise fee is, very low, it's affordable, it's easy to get into.
Went and tried other things, but ultimately came back to Colors on Parade because it was the best money I've ever made.
My 31-year-old son does this and makes more money than I do now on an individual basis. That's pretty impressive.
You're encouraged to make as much money as your ambitions will carry you. However, there is a work-life balance that is another huge thing that drove me to join this company. It works amazingly well, I think, for families.
My family, our family, is the reason why we started Colors on Parade in the first place.
The great thing about it is you get to control your schedule, and there's not a lot of jobs that give you that option, but actually being able to own your own business allows you a lot of freedom to work like an animal or take it easy and spend a lot of family time.
We try to cut our week down to about 3 days a week working because we have 2 younger children. We show up at our dealerships at 9 o'clock, we're gone around 4:30 and back at home, and that's what we really love about the schedule part of it.
I believe to be successful, you must enjoy what you do. With Colors on Parade, it has all the pieces if you're the right person.
I graduated high school, I didn't go to college, and it's an opportunity that if you like to work with your hands and you like to work outside, it's a great business to be in.
I came from working in an office environment for 20 years, and I was sitting in my office when I found this job, or found this franchise, and it's been great.
I love the work with Colors on Parade, the quality that you see, the transformation of what you're doing to a bumper or a car or whatever it is. It's pretty satisfying.
I've always loved it, and I've always loved working with my hands, and it gives me the ability to own my own business where I am able to work with my hands and walk away from something at the end of the day and look at it and say, I did that today, and it's a good feeling.
You can learn something everybody knows, but it will never have true value because there's too much competition in it.
So for the youngsters, do something that's going to pay off that everybody else can't do. Don't compete for the job that has 1,000 people applying for it and only one person gets hired. Be a big fish in a little pond, and you'll make it big. Hope you can join us.